morning. How are you? Hope you all are very fit, fine and safe at your home and waiting for your EVS class. Alright? Okay. So, dear students, before the videos, I took your Zoom class. In that Zoom class, we had a discussion on chapter number 3, clothes. We had a discussion on chapter number 3, clothes. And that chapter is over. That chapter is over. And new words and take the correct option and the fill in the blanks wala part we have already done. No, fill in the blanks is remain. New words of the chapter, take the correct option and true false. All these have done in the yesterday's class. है ना? कल जो हमारी क्लास हुई थी, कल जो हमारा वीडियो हुआ था, in that video we have done all these things. Now open your EVS notebook and take your pencil eraser with you and start writing along with me. Now it's time to do the fill in the blanks with the word given in the help box. Up fill in the blanks we will do. Each and every exercise you have to note down is in your EVS नोटबुक. आपको EVS की नोटबुक में सारी एक्सरसाइज करनी है. ठीक है? यस. सो एक्सरसाइज नंबर C, fill in the blanks. Exercise number C, fill in the blanks. So note down this. Your heading is fill in the blanks. Chapter 3, I am going to rub it. Fill in the blank. Alright. So, let's see what is number 1. Number 1 is we need dash to cover our body. Okay, we need dash to cover our body. So what we need? What we need to cover our body? Yes, in the helping box there are 5 words given. Number 1 is headwear, number 2 embroidery, number 3 white, number 4 climate and number 5 clothes. So every human beings need clothes to cover their body to protect themselves from all type of weather, season and insect bite. So what I will write over here in the blank place? I will write clothes. Okay? What is the spelling of the clothes? CLOTHES. Everybody, all the human beings needs clothes to cover means pagdi. All the Sikh, all the Punjabi men always cover their head with their pagdi, with their pag. Okay. So in that blank place I will write headwear. Okay, headwear. Headwear is the right option. Okay, headwear. Headwear is the right answer. Let's see number 4. The cap. The cap of Himachal Pradesh the cap of Himachal Pradesh is famous for its what? The cap of Himachal Pradesh is famous for what? So the cap of the Himachal Pradesh is famous for its beautiful embroidery. है ना? Have you seen that Pawandeep is in Indian Idol? Pawandeep always wear the cap. है ना? So in that cap you can see a very nice beautiful embroidery in that cap. Okay? In Himachal Pradesh, the cap of Himachal Pradesh is very famous for its embroidery, and I want to share this information with you that Pawandeep Rajan is not belongs from Himachal Pradesh. Pawandeep Rajan belongs from Uttarakhand. Okay, so all the Pahadi pupils, those who are living in mountain areas or hilly areas, we can call it in Hindi Pahadi Log. ठीक है? So all the Pahadi Log, all the Pahadi pupils like to wear headwear, especially the men's, and they are wearing a beautiful cap with a nice beautiful embroidery. Okay, so I will write spelling of embroidery over here. EMBROIDERY. 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 है ना? It's very easy to learn the spell. EMBROIDERY. Embroidery. Okay. Let's write number 5. Nurses and doctor. Nurses and doctor. Nurses and doctors wear dash uniform. So all the nurses and all the doctors, they always wear white coat. है ना? White coat is their identity. So they always wear white uniform. They always wear white uniform. Is it clear to everybody? All the fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, number 1, take the screenshot, otherwise you can pause the screen. Lots of facilities available on videos. Number 1, we need clothes to cover our body. The spell of the clothes is CLOTHES, clothes. The dressing habit of the people depends on the climate. CLIMATE, climate. Number 3, turban is used as men's headwear. HEADWEAR, headwear. The cap of Himachal Pradesh is famous for its embroidery. EMBROIDERY. Okay. So hope you have note down all these things, and otherwise you can pause the screen and again you can write all these things. Now I am going to wrap this and we will write the question and the answers of the chapter. Okay, let's write the question and the answer. Your heading is answer these questions. Answer these questions. Okay, so question number 1 is, why do we wear clothes? Question number 1, why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? What is asked in the question? It is asked in the question that why we all needs to wear the clothes. So we wear clothes to cover our body and protect ourselves from all seasons. Okay, so answer number 1 is, we wear clothes to cover our body, cover our body, and protect ourselves from all types of seasons and what else? हाँ, इसके अलावा क्या था? And insect bite, and insect bite. Okay, this is your answer number 1. Note down. Now question number 2. Let's write question number 2 along with me. Why do people wear different types of clothes in different part of India? बेटा क्वेश्चन में नहीं लिख रही हूँ. क्वेश्चन you can write from your book. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं तो फिर ये बोर्ड पूरा भर जाता है. ठीक है, और फिर आंसर लिखने की प्लेस नहीं बचती है. बिकॉज दिस वीडियो आई एम मेकिंग फ्रॉम माई मोबाइल, और मोबाइल में स्क्रीन बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी नहीं होने की वजह से आई कैन नॉट यूज द होल ब्लैक बोर्ड और ग्रीन बोर्ड. इंडिया, भारत में रहने वाले लोग, अलग अलग देश, अलग अलग स्टेट्स में रहने वाले लोग क्यों अलग अलग टाइप के कपड़े पहनते हैं? सो पीपल वेयर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ इन इंडिया बिकॉज ऑफ द डाइवर्सिफाइड कल्चर एंड क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया. बिकॉज इंडिया डाइवर्सिफाइड कल्चर, दिस वर्ड डाइवर्सिफाइड आई यूज्ड इन द आंसर. डाइवर्सिफाइड कल्चर का मतलब होता है इंडिया में बहुत सारे अलग अलग कल्चर को मानने वाले लोग रहते हैं. ठीक है, they are very different from each other. The meaning of this word diversified means they are very different from each another. All the human beings are equal or similar, but whatever traditions, whatever rules, whatever regulations, whatever dressing habits, whatever food habits, they adopted according to their family, according to their culture. That is called the diversified. Okay. Suppose the way of worshipping what I adopted from my family, it is not necessary to you that you also will adopt the same kind of worship habits, है ना? Whatever food habit I adopted from my family, whatever dressing habit I adopted from my family, that is not needed, that is not required. That the same you also adopted from your family. Okay, so this word diversified I wrote over there. Now let's write answer number 3. Let's see, पहले देखेंगे what is question number 3. The question number 3 is what is a fehran and where is it worn? What is fehran and where is it worn? fehran क्या है और ये कहाँ पहना जाता है? Okay, so let's write the answer. Sorry, question number 3 लिखेंगे पहले. Question number 3. This is question number 4. Name of few popular dresses for women in India. ठीक है, so for women in India there are salwar kameez, घाघरा चोली and of course and sari. These all are the common outfit for women in India, right? So these are the some popular clothes for women in India. Salwar kameez, ghagra choli and sari. These are some popular clothes for women in India. Okay, I am not in front of the board, so you can take the screenshot. Otherwise, you can pause your screen and you can note down all these questions and the answers. Now, question number 5. What is fehran? What is fehran? I am going to write this and I will write question number 4. Question number 4 and the answer number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. बुक में से लिखेंगे. I am going to write answer only. Fehran is a long loose coat which is worn by Kashmiri people in Kashmir. and some little life skills I am going to discuss with you. You see beautiful design on your clothes. You too can make some designs using cut vegetables. ठीक है, this vegetables, this lady finger painting तो you have done when you was in UKG or LKG classes. Now I am going to give you a new work that you have to take a white handkerchief. Handkerchief means आपको एक सफेद कॉटन का रुमाल लेना है. Take a white cotton handkerchief and take some earbuds. ठीक है, earbuds का एक bunch लेना है. Take a bunch of earbuds and what you will do? You will draw a nice design on your रुमाल and जो आपके पास जो earbuds थे, take those earbuds, dip into the color and do the small painting. If you want to do, you can do this type of activity at your home. अगर आपको ये activity करनी है तो आप अपने घर पे कर सकते हैं. How you will do? Once again I will tell you that take a cotton handkerchief, draw a nice beautiful flower or design, whatever you want to do. If you want to take the help of your mama, you can take a bunch of earbuds and take the different colors like red, yellow, blue, green and dip your earbuds on that and make a beautiful design from that. Okay, this is your life skill activity. If you want to do, you can do. When you will do these types of activities, definitely you will learn something. Okay, so it is enough learning from my side to you. Now it's time to say bye bye. So bye bye. When we will meet in the next class, then definitely we will start the new chapter. We will start the new